I didn't start this side hustle with a plan. Honestly, I just wanted to help a friend. He ran a small auto shop, one of those spots where the smell of oil hits you before you reach the door. He was good at what he did, but one day he said something that stuck with me. "Man, people don't even know we're here. They all go to the fancy place uptown because that's what pops up on Google." That night, I sat in my truck and looked up auto shop near me. He was right. His business wasn't even on the map. I didn't know anything about digital marketing or SEO, but I figured, how hard could it be? After a few YouTube searches and a cup of bad coffee, I found Google business profiles. It took me 30 minutes to set one up for him. I didn't think much of it, just checked it off and went to bed. A week later, he called me. "Hey man, I got 3 new customers this week. All of them said they found me on Google." That was the moment everything changed. It wasn't luck, it was visibility. And visibility, I realized, was something every small business needed. I started noticing all the others who were invisible. The mom-and-pop diner with the best breakfast biscuits in town, nowhere to be found online. The local landscaper with a trailer full of gear. He didn't even have a listing, just a number on a business card. I remember thinking, what if I just helped a few of them get seen? So, I tested it. I wrote down a list of 15 local businesses. I picked 5 and walked in with a simple line. "Hey, I noticed your business isn't showing up right on Google. I can fix that for you." 3 said yes. 2 paid me $50 each on the spot. 1 offered to pay me monthly to keep their info updated. That's when it clicked. This wasn't just helpful, it was repeatable. Over the next few weeks, I made it official. I called it my local listing hustle. I'd find small businesses that didn't show up online, fix their visibility, and charge anywhere from $50 to $100 per setup. And the crazy thing is, it didn't feel like work. It felt like giving people a fighting chance in a world that rewards whoever's most visible. The process was simple. I'd open Google Maps and type, "Near me, roofers near me, coffee shops near me." I'd scroll past the top results and look for listings with no photos, missing info, or 0 reviews. Those were my gold mines. I'd write them down one by one. Then I'd reach out, sometimes by email, sometimes in person. I didn't use fancy words, just something honest. I help local businesses show up where customers are actually looking. If your Google listing isn't showing up or looks off, I can fix it fast. People appreciated that I spoke normal. No tech jargon, no sales talk, and when I'd fix their listings, add photos, correct hours, upload service descriptions, they'd see results almost immediately. I helped a local bakery once. Their photos were 5 years old. Their hours said they closed at 2 p.m., but they were actually open until 6. I updated everything, added their Instagram photos, and within 2 weeks, they jumped to the top 3 results for bakery near me. The owner called and said, "We've had more walk-ins this week than all last month." That's when I realized something big. Most people don't need new skills to start earning. They just need to use what's already around them. This side hustle costs nothing to start. All you need is a phone, a laptop, and a bit of initiative. Here's exactly how you can do it. Step 1. Pick your area. Search your town or zip code on Google Maps. Step 2. Find businesses that look incomplete. No reviews, blurry photos, or outdated info. Step 3. Reach out with a simple offer. Say you help optimize listings so more customers find them. Step 4. Charge for your time and skill. $50 to $100 for setup and optional monthly updates. Step 5. Track your work. Keep a spreadsheet with business names, logins, and follow-up reminders. After a few clients, the recurring income adds up fast. And if you want to scale it, here's the trick. Use automation. Set Google Alerts to monitor when your clients get new reviews. Use ChatGPT to write professional responses. Update photos and posts once a month, and you'll keep them ranking high. Before long, you've built a small, local SEO agency without even realizing it. The beauty is, it's personal. You're not selling ads or running funnels. You're helping real people get noticed. And if you're like me, that kind of work hits different. Every small business you help is another person who gets to stay open, another family that makes it through the slow season. And that's worth more than the check. When I first started, I thought it'd be a quick side gig. Now it's part of how I see value. Not as something to chase, but something to create for others. So here's my challenge to you. Before the day ends, find one business in your town that deserves to be seen. Reach out, offer to help them get listed or updated. Even if they say no, you'll learn. And the next one might just say yes and open a door you never expected. Next video, I'll show you how to turn that single yes into a steady $500 a month system. The same one I used to turn one favor into consistent income without needing a single ad. If this story gave you something to think about, subscribe and drop a comment. Tell me what kind of local business you'd want to help first. Because this isn't theory, it's something real you can do right where you live. If this gave you something to think about, drop a comment and hit subscribe. Remember, stay curious, stay lazy, and keep working less. That's the Workless Wonders way.